Machine learning is everywhere today, but for many people, it still feels unclear. This is about understanding machine learning clearly. For most learners, machine learning feels hard for simple reasons. Too many theories, too many formulas, and not enough intuition. You were told what to compute, but not what is actually means. Our approach changed the order. First, you build intuition, then you look at numbers, then you write code. Each step support the next. Most traditional learning start with theory and hopes understandings come later. So here understanding comes first. So you see what's happening, you follow step by step with numerical examples, and nothing feels hidden. This course is structured to grow naturally. So you start with the foundations, then the classification, decision models, and then clustering, dimensionally reduction, and finally neural network and real projects. So instead of memorizing formulas, you watch algorithm learns from the data to patterns to models to predictions. You understand each step as it is happening. Understanding matters most when you apply it. So you will build models that predict, classify, and discover patterns, not toy examples, but practical problems you can recognize. This course is designed to be accessible. If you are a beginner, you start from zero. If you are a student, it helps concept click. If you are an engineer or career switcher, it connects theory to practice. So no special background required. Machine learning doesn't have to feel confusing. With the right approach, it becomes a clear, intuitive, and practical. That's what this course is about.